The reason I attended Fortis was after a conversation with my dad. He thought I needed to make myself valuable. I was jumping from job to job and living paycheck to paycheck. Right now in HVAC, I'm a commercial technician. I do commercial refrigeration for restaurants. I go around, I repair ovens, ice machines, a little bit of everything. The education that I received at Fortis have made a huge difference in my personal life. I feel a lot more confident and comfortable in my own skin. I feel knowledgeable and valuable, that I have something to bring to society and offer people.